Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. I'm called Rashida in case you are seeing me for the first time. So guys, we are at the house here. Yeah, so the guys are here. They already delivered the glasses for our window and door frames, although I came late. I thought I'll be the first one at the site, but I came late. Yeah, so they have already deliver the glasses, and so far they have started with the installation of the glasses. Yeah, we chose, okay, we bought 4mm in black color. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me show you this process or the progress as we are installing in the door, as we are installing in the glasses for our door and wooden. What am I saying? Let me give you this progress as we are installing in the glasses for our door and windows. I hope you enjoy the video. Sawa kantera cow. Sorry. So guys, the glasses are here. Yeah, I thought I'll be the first one here, but I came when the guys have already delivered the glasses. They are 4mm black. Yeah, 4mm in black color. So these are the glasses. They have already finished. Is it cutting, framing them? I'm not sure of the right word they use. Yeah, so they they framed or they cut them according to the measurements of the windows and the frames. Okay, so here we are. Then here we have the pata. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to take you through this process as well. Okay, yeah. Then we have the silicones over here. Yeah, so we are going to start with the job. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay. And guys, I also want to clean here before they install in the glasses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this door here and this as well. Yeah, I want to first clean. So let me start with the cleaning, then after I may not show you as I'm cleaning because I don't have anyone to record me when I'm cleaning. So I'm going to clean, then after I'll show you how it looks like after the cleaning. Guys, this is the dining window. I mean the dining door. Yeah, I've finished cleaning it. I think you can see the difference. It had a lot of sand over there. Yeah, so that one is done. Nalongo is there. She's helping me to clean the other window. And also the guys are at work. Okay, let me show you this window, the master bedroom window. Yeah, they have finished the installation. You see, this is the master bedroom window. You see, guys? Yeah, that's it. It's so cute. This is the master bedroom. Yeah, so far they have finished. Hello. So that's it, and we are almost finishing with the cleaning of those main doors because they have been the dirtiest one. I don't know why. And also my what, the guys who are going to do the electronic pipe work, they are on their way coming. Yeah, I feel excited, kind of scared, but I feel very excited that I'm going to move into my house. Okay, now let me help Nalongo to clean this second main door. So, see the view. See, this is what we have here. Yeah, this is what we have here. Okay, now let me go help Nalongo. I'm going to be showing you I'm spending the whole day here at the site. Yeah, I want to go back home when everything is finished, when the people who are going to do the electronic pipe work come, we shall go then. I'll drive them. We go to the hardware, we buy the pipes and the other materials needed when doing the electronic pipe work. Then we shall come back and they will start that job as well. Okay guys, so that's it. I love how clean this. Okay, let me take you inside and I show you this window, the master bedroom window. Even this side they have finished. This is also a master bedroom. You see guys, yeah, that's a master bedroom. Then this is also a master bedroom. Then this is the master washroom. I love how cute this glass is. It's really cute. You see guys, this is the master washroom. Yeah, so that's it. Master washroom, master bedroom, then the master bedroom. Yeah, and we still have more glasses here. More glasses over here. Okay, now let us go to the back. Although guys, this door is not opening, this one, I don't know what's the issue, so we need to open that door because the guys who are installing in the glasses have told me we are not supposed to open this door for 1 or 2 days, so we need to find a way of opening this door. They told me that over the door was opened, then wind came, nekborujipa, then neregala. I don't know what the issue is. It's not locked with the keys. Yeah, because I have the keys. I tried opening with the keys and it refused. Over the pata, over the chi got locked, I don't know. So we need to find a way of opening that window. I mean that door. Then over this side, let me take you this side as well. So here they have installed in the kitchen window. That's the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, so far that's it. Let me go back to the cleaning, then I'll show you. No, let me first take you inside, then to the master bedroom, then I'll come back and finish with the cleaning. Wane wali binyumye kuliri ekisenge. Saba kuyitako kati. So you see guys, okay, I want to take you to the master bedroom. Yeah, and now it's kind of dark. So this is the master bedroom. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. It's dark now. This is it, guys. You see? This is it. But it's so cute and beautiful. So guys, that is the master. I mean the dining entrance. Yeah, so they are working on the dining entrance. Guys, you see how cute this is. It's really beautiful. It's so beautiful. Between, I was told that that house you see over there, they also did not plaster their house, that one, but they are living in their house. So we shall be safe as well. By God's will, we shall be. And we have also finished the cleaning of this door. You can see the difference from when I started the video and how it is right now. That's Nalong and her twins. So that's it. And this is the master bedroom. I'll show you the results when everything has been finished. Guys, see this, I'm at the back of the house. So that is a laundry room. Also this one is a laundry room. That's the pantry. They haven't yet fixed for the pantry. Then over there, that's the kitchen. Then the other one, it's the dining area. Yeah, so far this is what we have. Okay, let me take you to that's the dining. Let me take you to the front of the house. So this is what we have, the dining area. So this is the main entrances. this and that. Then the master bedroom. Yeah, they are about to finish. I love how cute this is. It shows a very difference before the installation of the glasses and now. You see guys, it shows a very, very big difference. So guys, we are done with the installation of the glasses for our windows and door frames, and so far it looks very, very cute. Yeah, this is it. You see guys, okay, this is it. Yeah, let me show you. Although I've left, like, I locked the main doors and I've left the car up there. So what we are going to do, I'm going to show you how they look like the close up. Then I'll go enter from the behind door. Yeah, so the behind door is open. So this is the master bedroom. Yeah, that's the master bedroom. Then this is the living room. Yeah, and this is the dining area. So those written things you see there, they are for electronic pipe work. Yeah, we are going to work on that next, but not today. Okay, you see the electronic pipe work. Okay, so let us move from here. You see guys, that's the dining window over there. From the dining window, I'm also going to take you inside. Then the kitchen, then the pantry. Guys, see how cute this is. That's the pantry. Then the laundry room. Okay, yeah. Then over this side, this is what we have over there. Yeah, guys, there is a big difference before the installation of the glasses and now. See that cute glass. So that's the bathroom, TV room, then the other kids room. Yeah, then let me take you inside as well. Over here, that's the dining area, then the living room. Guys, even though we have installed in the glasses, still the house has enough light. Trust me, all the windows and the doors are closed apart from the behind door, but you can see the house has enough light. Yeah, so this, we have some outlets here, but my builders, they will come and work on that. You see guys, those outlets there, so they will fix them as they are fixing those holes you see. Yeah, so the dining over there, then the living room over here, then the dining window over there, then over this side the kitchen. Yeah, and these are for electronic. I told you guys we are going to do the electronic pipe work. Yeah, because we are to get a solar. Yeah, we are going to use a solar. You see guys. Yeah, so this is the pantry, then the laundry room over there, then this side the back of the house, then over this side we have this. Yeah, jakubelawo mpola. Then the electronic pipes zijayitawo. So this is it guys, we have finished the installation of the glasses, so no turning back. Tekyali kudda mabega. The master bedroom, then the master washroom over here. You see guys how cute it is. Yeah, this is it. Okay, let me give you also a close-up of these glasses as well. You see, they are black, like you can see someone from inside, but someone outside cannot see you. Okay, Then over this side, the bedrooms. Yeah, this one for my caretakers. I don't know where they are. I don't know when they are going to move out, but I already informed them that I'm entering my house. Then the general bathroom. You see, guys? Yeah. Okay, let me take you outside, but on the other side so that you can see how the house looks like. Guys, this is the other side. This is a kid's bedroom. You see the glasses. Then we also have this. We have that. Then this is the master bedroom. I mean the master washroom. Then the bedroom. Okay? Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm going to run from here before it starts raining, okay? So that's it, guys. Yeah. I'll come back and I give you more of the progress when we are doing the electronic pipe work. For now, I'm going to say goodbye and see you in my next video. I love you. It has started raining.